Yo, what up everyone, Ceebz here. So we are out here in the beautiful Florida Keys. We are filming today for Petite Retreats. So we're down here, we're actually on a road trip that we're going to 3 different locations for the next week. What we're doing is we're filming a bunch of content, interior of the units, photos, a bunch of lifestyle stuff, basically everything, just so they can build a new ad campaign online. So this is our unit right here. So what we got going on right now?
So pretty much just casing the place, getting every single room, every angle.
Check out, this place has got two cool spots upstairs here. Open area here. Then we got a nice little kitchen and then a main room in the back. I take a jump in this water. That's gonna be real nice. All right guys, catch you later. So we made it to the afternoon. Now we are going to be doing some of the lifestyle stuff. Got the paddle boards blown up, drones ready to go, some gear going. We got Mr. Scott Eddy in the building. We got the GoPro 360 ready to go. So the idea here is to get people in the shots. We want to show people like what you can do when you come and stay in one of these incredible places. So naturally we have to get out there and go do it ourselves because we don't have any talent on this shoot. So we're gonna get out there, do this, and then we're gonna transition to the next phase of everything, which is really just backing up stuff and charging batteries, etc. All right, see you guys. I'm gonna try to find some lobsters real quick. So came out, did a quick scouting, realized our jobs could be worse. Trying to get us quick bronze in, catch some dinner, see some wildlife, and get paid to do it. So frustrating. Ah, starting with. Ah! That thing is huge. Oh fuck, is it on me? So we just finished filming sunset. It's about 6:30. We're back in our tiny cottage here. It's been a very long day. We got about 2-3 more hours as well. The boys out here editing some stuff even.
Just caught a massive fish. About to back up the footage now.
This is how we do it. It is Friday morning. We are shooting sunrise. We came to a bit of a different spot today. So we're gonna do sunrise here, get a bunch of content, head back, do breakfast, a couple more shots this afternoon, and then we are on the road headed to Kissimmee to film the next one. Let's get it, baby.
Come on. Hot, sicker than your average. Pop a twist cabbage off instinct. Don't think, stink pink gators. My Detroit players. Tim's for my hooligans in Brooklyn. That's dead right. If the head right, Biggie there, air night. Papa been smooth since days of under rules. Never lose, never choose to. Bruce Cruz who? Do something to
Epic sunrise. We probably got some good shots. We'll go back and check it.
Oh!
Recently, front ain't saying nothing, so I just.
Alright, so one other thing I wanted to point out. So we actually travel with a couple different drones, basically to be able to capture different kind of shots. You can see how this lens even has a zoom. When we are filming, especially a lot of these resorts, we don't want to be disturbing guests. This lets us stay way further away so no one hears the annoying buzzing, etc. Plus, the footage looks like insane. So I just wanted to show you guys that because it makes such a difference having both of those drones with us. So we just stopped for a very nutritious breakfast at the one and only Starbucks, baby.
Sponsored.
The one and only.
Sponsored. Alec is a official Starbucks influencer. Look at that guy.
Yeah, big Gouda, baby.
Food influencer, baby. Break it in half. Oh. All right, where are we going now?
342 miles.
342 miles to paradise.
Coming in hot on 95, 5 hours. Actually, it's 304 miles, Scott.
You can't catch them, you can't stop them. I go by them goon rules. If you can't beat them, then you pop them. You can't man them, then you mop them. You can't stand them, then you drop them. You pop them, cause we pop them like over red and vodka. Motherfucker, I'm ill. Yeah,
We're gonna shoot the interior of Scott's place first because it's a little bit darker over here compared to in our unit. We're losing light, so after that we'll go shoot the interiors, and then in the evening when it's super soft, we get the sun coming through all this moss and stuff. Hey, look at that moss. We'll shoot some outdoor stuff, get some lens flares.
Like, look at this light, come on. I'm gonna hit that tree. Oh well. Oh, I wasn't recording. Legitimately.
Go back.
Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Mama, please don't worry about me. 'Cause I'm about to let my heart speak. My friends keep telling me to leave this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this.
Alright, what's happening? So we just left Kissimmee, Florida, and we are headed to the Everglades. So we are headed to our third and final stop. We just wrapped up. We were filming with Chef Dennis today.
You came along and everything started into hum. Still, it's a real good bet. The best is yet to come.
Doing a bunch of awesome stuff this morning at the Springs.
If you wanna hit the road, then let's go then. Let's just go and see the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine.
Kenya!
Where we going?
Kenya!
Oh, we just got confirmation from one company that they're sending us to Kenya. And how, like 4 days we're leaving? What's
Legit,
today?
like
The
not
20
even
the
not
22nd.
bro,
we're leaving
not
the-
even exaggeration. We're leaving in 5 days in the morning.
God. Well, so much for sleep.
Golden, yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine.
Now we're going down to the final location, which is going to be a very different kind of scene from, you know, the big oak trees and things like that. And once again, just capture the best of the best, throw it all together, put out some content on the line,
Put it out there on the line.
and make it happen. All right, let's get it.
Surprise. Say what you wanna say, I won't go back. If you wanna hit the road, then let's go then. Let's just go and see the world and just show.
It's about 6:30 in the morning. Oh boy, there's a step. And going out to shoot sunrise. Check out this fog this morning. So, going to try to set up a time lapse before the sun gets too high. We're here in Miami Everglades RV Resort. Just doing a bunch of filming. Luckily, we're getting some awesome fog, awesome sunrises. So this is our home for the next couple days. A nice little porch out here. Gorgeous sunrise. So because it's a little bit cooler, we've been getting all this mist that comes up, and we got some really insane light rays coming through everything this morning. So this is where we're at. This is Miami Everglades RV Resort. How we doing? How we doing?
What's up, bro?
What's happening?
How you doing?
How's the sunrise?
It's up.
Did you see the freaking light rays coming through those trees?
It's like a great sign. Oh, that's cool.
Bro, you have no idea what we just got.
Whoa.
Oh. So we're working on getting we had Toyota sponsor this trip for Scott, and they gave him a car to kind of cruise around from spot to spot. We're working on getting an RV for our next campaign with this client, so that we can actually live like the RV life, set up, you know, shoot that kind of content, etc. So we got about 30 more minutes here before we got to shut it off. So we're gonna finish capturing some more B-roll, and then go get some breakfast. And got the lemon perfect. Got the lemon perfect. We got about 30 more minutes here before we got to shut it off. So we're gonna finish capturing some more B-roll, and then go get some breakfast. And got the lemon perfect. Got the lemon perfect.